Stop cutting your pants just because they are too long. There is a simple trick that can make them shorter in minutes without scissors or a tailor. Let me show you how.
Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna show you an easy way to fix long pants at home. No cutting, no sewing machine, and no spending money. Just basic tools you already have at home. We will look at two methods, and both work really well.
First, wear your pants and decide how short you want them. Let's say you want to remove 5 centimeters. Use a ruler or straight object and mark the length with a pen. Make sure you mark both sides so it stays even. This step is important because uneven marking will make the pants look strange later. Take a needle and thread. Start sewing along the marked line from the side seam. Just stitch around the line slowly and neatly. Keep stitches about 1 centimeter apart. Use double thread so it won't break later. After sewing around, gently pull the thread. Don't rush this step. As you pull, the fabric slowly moves upward and tucks inside. Your pants become shorter without cutting anything. It looks like magic, but it's just a simple sewing trick. Now, sew a few extra stitches to lock everything in place. Do it 2 or 3 times so it stays strong after washing. Then press it with an iron if you have one. This makes it look clean and professional. Now let's go to the second method. This one is even faster and simpler. Mark how much you want to shorten, just like before. Then fold the pants from the inside. Sew from the inside part only around the folded area. Keep going until you complete the full circle. No need to make it perfect. Just keep it simple. After sewing, lock it with a few extra stitches. Then turn the pants back to normal. You will see the pants are instantly shorter. Clean, neat, and no cutting needed. So now you know 2 easy ways to fix long pants without cutting them. Method 1 is more hidden and neat. Method 2 is faster and simpler. Choose the one that works best for you. If this helped you, try it on your old pants too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Easy Genius DIY. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.